Hello everyone and good morning. Thank you for visiting my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about Canva, okay? And Canva is a free and paid version where you guys can come on here and create things such as, if you want to create a book cover, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, a YouTube cover art, a Facebook post, an Instagram post, anything on here you want to create, you can, okay? So I decided to create a playlist, series of videos about Canva that you guys can watch if you're interested in learning more about Canva. But before we get into the video, let's click that subscribe button, notification bell, so you won't miss out on any videos I post. If you're watching this on Instagram, I left a link in my bio to my YouTube channel. You can click on that. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Click on notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos I post, okay? So let's get into the video. So here we are on Canva, and Canva has a free version and a paid version. With the free version you get, you can just get your basics. With the pro version, which is $12.99 a month, basically $13 a month, and you get more features with that. And I can honestly say I have used the pro version of Canva. It is amazing. You get more for your dollar amount. So I would highly recommend purchasing Canva Pro. It's only $13 a month, and it's worth it. I can honestly say that because I've used it, and I stopped using it because I wasn't really using Canva as much. Excuse me, you guys. I wasn't really using Canva as much, so I stopped using the pro version. I stopped paying for it. I just started going with the free version. So what I do with the free version is I've created Facebook cover art. I've done YouTube cover art. I've also do more of YouTube thumbnails with Canva because I'm a YouTube influencer. I make a lot of YouTube videos, and I mainly want to create. I wanted to learn how to create YouTube thumbnails, so I come on YouTube on Canva and I create YouTube thumbnails. And I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to do that. And the good thing about Canva is you don't have to go and create the dimensions. But if you were going to do something like a book cover or something specific, you want to come over here and click custom size and put in the width and the height, and then create your dimension, your custom size, whatever it is that you're going to create. So I'm going to show you guys my designs. So basically, these are all my designs I've created on Canva. So my latest YouTube thumbnail I did for my YouTube channel, the YouTube video I did, was I recently came up with I started a social media marketing training course that teaches you guys how to market on social media the correct way, and it's for sale for a one-time fee of $5.99. If you're interested in purchasing my course, you can email me. I'll leave my email address in the description below, and if you're interested in it, send me an email. I will get you the information, and you guys can get started with your social media marketing training course. That's up to you. That's just for people who are interested in learning how to market on social media the correct way. And there's a right way and a wrong way to market on social media. I can tell you that right now. I've learned, live and learn, trial and error. You guys, trust me. You want to market on social media the correct way. So I'm going to scroll down and show you guys a couple of things. If you see any images like this one right here, this is my picture, and I put a text beside it. So I inserted that image. So any images like this big token video I did of payment proof, I inserted that big token image. That's the image I inserted. I did this one with the background of the money. Same thing with the pocket of money. But I really wanted to talk to you guys about was specific things I created on here. Like for instance with Amazon KDP, I know you guys probably don't know what that is, but it's Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can go on Amazon and create a KDP account for free, and you can create low content, no content books, or just actual books that you can, if you're interested in starting an author career or becoming a published author, you can publish on Amazon for free. It's called Amazon KDP, and I created low content books. So my first one was an exercise logbook, and I'm going to click on this one so you guys can see it. So this is my exercise logbook I created. It's called She Runs Like a Boss. It's an exercise logbook. It is for sale on Amazon right now. I also created a blood pressure logbook, to where, if for those of you that have high blood pressure and you want to keep track of it to make sure you keep it under control, I also have that on sale on Amazon right now as well. If you're interested, I will leave the links to those 2 logbooks below. So if you're trying to lose weight and you want to keep track of if you're running, walking, or exercising, and you want to keep track of your exercise, I have an exercise logbook for sale on Amazon. If you want to keep track of your blood pressure to keep it down under control, I have this on sale for Amazon. I created a funny cat notebook, but for some reason it wouldn't take, and I guess it's because they no longer accept notebooks on Amazon KDP anymore. Okay? But if you're interested in checking out my author journey, I have a YouTube channel. It's called Newbie Publishers. You can go to that channel and subscribe and get more information on KDP. So these are all my designs. I did all these myself. This is the design I created for my my content book. I actually changed it up a bit, but I created this. Took the image. It was my adorable dog's design I created. I do a lot of stuff, you guys. A lot. But yeah, this is just part 1 in the series of my Canva series for my playlist. So we're going to get into, in part 2 of this video, we're going to talk about how to create, I'm going to show you guys how I create my YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and that's basically it. So I will see you guys in the next video.